Hi everyone, I'm here to do some Heggerty exercises with you. Let's start with blending. I'll say each sound, then you repeat them, and then we'll blend the word together. B, e, t. Bet, m, a, p. Mop, f, I, b. Fib, h, e, n. Hen, t, a, g. Tag, f, a, n. Fan, k, a, t. Cut, sh, a, p. Shop, l, e, t. Let, d, I, p. Dip. All right, let's get ready to roller coaster some words. Remember, as always, when we're doing the roller coaster, we want to really emphasize that middle vowel sound when we're at the top of the roller coaster. The word is ran. R, a, n. Not, not. Tub, t, b. Pan, p, a, n. Wet, w, et. Dig, d, ig. Job, j, ob. Rip, r, ip. And the last one, fun. F, n. Good. Now we're going to get ready to segment phonemes. So I'll say a word, you repeat the word, and then we're going to chop it into its separate phonemes. Bet, b, et. Mop, m, op. Hen, h, e, n. Tag, t, a, g. Fan, f, a, n. Cut, k, a, t. Shop, sh, a, p. Let, l, e, t. Dip, d, I, p. Good. Okay, now we're going to do phoneme substitutions. We know our fist's ready. I'm going to say a word, you repeat the word, and then we're going to change the beginning sound and put it together to make a new word. The word is rug. Oh, sorry, my nose is itching. My allergies have been really bad. Yesterday when I was teaching, my voice was so scratchy. Okay, let's try again. Sorry. The word is rug. Change r to b. Bug. The word is mop. Change m to t. Top. The word is bed. Change b to r. Red. The word is sit. Change s to k. Kit. The word is ran. Change r to f. Fan. The word is leg. Change l to b. Beg. The word is dig. Change d to p. Pig. Good. All right. Now we're going to add phonemes. So we'll start with the ending, the rhyme part of the word, and we'll add the beginning sound, the onset, and put them together to make a new word. The word is un. Add s to the beginning. Sun. The word is ek. Add d to the beginning. Deck. The word is in. Add t to the beginning. Tin. The word is op. Add m to the beginning. Mop. The word is up. Add p to the beginning. Pop. Okay, last one, deleting phonemes. So we'll start with the word. We'll remove the beginning sound to see what we're left with. The word is bat. Without b, the word is at. The word is got. Without g, the word is ought. The word is hug. Without h, the word is ugh. The word is wet. Without w, the word is et. The word is fin. Without f, the word is in. Good job today.